bird is lost. Woof! You found him, Milo. Good boy. Pant, pant.
Don't worry, little bird.
Maybe the nest is up there. Ooh, yay! Let's go check it out. It's so tiny. Oh, we must help it. We must help it. Yes, we must. Find the nest. We'll take you home. I'll look from the sky. Look left, Paco. Maybe over there. Found it! Found it! I see some nests. Yes! I found them. Which one is it? You'll see. We must find the right one.
Hi.
Listen to the chirp. Beep, beep. Maybe its mother will answer. Woof. There she is. Wow, you're right. Follow me. Follow me. The nest is there. Is there? Whoa, you found it. We found it. Milo, we found it. Great. That's amazing. She is waiting. Return the baby. Careful now. Be careful, John. Look, Milo, I made it to the branch. Just a little higher. I know.
You're almost there. Just a little further.
We made it. Home, sweet home. Look at you, little one. So happy. Peep, peep.
Woof!
We did it! We did it! Look, there's Mommy Bird. Chip, chip, beep, beep. Ow, they're together now. That's where you belong. That's where you belong. Family reunited. Mission complete! You did it, Chip! Hooray! That was kind. Helping others matters. Look, Milo, a nest. Be careful. Woof. Shh, don't scare the mommy bird.
Good luck, little birds.
Best rescue ever!
Bark, bark! Bark, bark!
Let's head back. Oh, okay, let's go. Go, go, go. Good job, team.
This way home.
Rocky says, that bird will be happy now.
The forest is peaceful again.
Good day. We're back.
Woof! What an adventure! And then,
Rescue mission! Best rescue mission! Journey.
huh? Gawai, did you enjoy helping the baby bird? Woof! More adventures coming!
Yeah! Yeah!
Definitely! It's gonna be a blast! And that's all, folks! Great job, Rocky! Stay tuned!
See you next time! Stay curious! Thanks for watching! Subscribe for more adventures.